What'd you say?
Two Sarahs.
What's two Sarahs?
Two.
Okay, who else?
No one.
Just Sarahs?
Modigliani.
Modigliani?
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Nah.
Where? What museum?
Matt Brewer.
Matt Brewer? Yeah. Any other artists?
We can't go. We'll go.
Is Van Gogh there?
Nah.
Now why not?
Cause he's at home.
He's at home.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's he
In
doing?
that house.
In that house? What's he doing there?
He's getting our snacks.
He's getting our snacks.
Yeah.
How's his ear?
Good.
You really?
Yeah.
Did he cut it off yet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Maybe he was okay then.
And he's okay.
Okay, good.